thought. My arm was getting a little tired. Fuck yes.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Wasn't that fun? What? Wasn't that fun? Fun?
Okay, everyone, gather around. And now, ladies and gentlemen, a musical highlight. A musical highlight. Now, ladies and gentlemen, a musical highlight for the big finale.
Ready? Here we go.
Enough of this, you can't help but to start to move. Hip-hop lovers can't get enough of this. Who says that you can't do this? Hip-hop lovers can't get enough of this. You can't help but to start to move. Hip-hop lovers can't get enough of this. Who says that you can't do this? Yeah! Yeah.
Hey, what?
You really think so?
Well, all right. Now, listen, everybody. I would like to tell you something that possibly you did not know. Are we going to tell them the secret way to be able...
DJ!
Mm-hmm. So, you do everything we tell you to do, okay?
Statler?
What?
Is that it?
Yes, it's over. How'd you like it?
I don't know. I slept through the whole thing.
Well, you didn't miss much.